All right, what's up guys? It's me, Packy. I'm here at Seneca Bowl for my plastic versus plastic video. I got a Radical Spy with me, which is an ASIM hooking plastic, and then I have a Deviate Scorcher spare, which is my spare ball that I use all the time. So I got a 1v1. We'll see which one looks best. So comment down below if you would ever put a plastic ball in your bag, or if you think I should put it in my bag after this video is over. No matter what happens here, it's not going in the league bag. So you comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow along for more fun videos like this. But before that, let's just get right into it. Boom! It's not every day you get a chance to shoot 300 with a plastic ball. Oh my God, that was so bad and it still struck. It's fate. No! Let's go! Ah, come on. Quack! What did I miss? Front two. Front two. Maybe we go 1 and 1 left here. Try and get the 7 out. Rip her off. It's just not very conducive to strikes. Oh. Hatsa, 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 hatsa. I am ripping on that ball. Oh, hook. Get up the hill. Needed some extra revs on that one. All right, so we're just about halfway done. The Spy looks awesome. The plastic ball looks like a real spare ball. It's doing a good job picking up the single pins. And that's pretty much it. Hook. Oh. Tickle him. So we're halfway through the game. We're 5 frames in. My plastic ball looks like, I guess they're both plastic. My spare ball looks like it should be a spare ball. Never come out of the bag during strike shots. The Spy looks like a tournament piece. Kind of like the rubber ball from the other day, or a week ago, or 2 weeks ago, or whatever. Kind of like the rubber ball. The Spy's hooking in the right spot. I hit it with a little bit of surface. I hit it the light 1000 before, like we talked about. But that Spy looks like it could be a piece on short patterns. Just another option after, kind of on the lower end of my black hammer, where if my black hammer is really hooking, wood lanes, super short pattern, the Spy might be able to come out of the bag and strike, because obviously it strikes enough. You know, I'm throwing it slow, I'm hitting it, I'm doing all the extra stuff to make it look good, but the Spy still hooks. It still hooks and it still carries, which is the biggest part. 5 more frames to go and we'll see what I can shoot. Dangle it on the gutter. You kidding me? That almost went in the gutter. and then it struck. Oh, that's not gonna hook. Yeah, that just plasticed on me. That one, that's gonna go high. Oh my God, it can't. It's plastic, it can't go high. Ringer! Too high. Oh my God, just tickle him. Just tickle him. Hit him light, watch him messenger. All right, so we are now in frame 8. Spy still looks good. Obviously you can see with the plastic ball, when I miss right, it just doesn't work. I can't miss right. If I miss right, it buckets, it 2 pins. I'm surprised I haven't thrown one where I miss right and I missed the head pin. But with the Spy, I'm just throwing better shots and I'm really chucking it left. And every time I throw it left, it can't overhook really because it's plastic, and the asymmetry helps it set up to the pocket instead of hook and just keep hooking. Whereas you saw me when I moved left with the plastic or with the spare ball, when I moved left with the spare ball, it kind of just, it was too much in the friction. So the Spy, I can move away from it, I can bump it off it. We got 2 frames left. Hopefully I can put up the back 4 with the Spy. Honestly, could care less about the plastic ball. Let's do it for the channel. Lip and rip. Hook. Oh my God. I am trying to hit that Spy as hard as I can because it has not hooked as much the last couple shots. Really squared off in the back, so I got front 9. Maybe I'm just that good. Probably not though. Probably just the ball. So I'm missing. Ring. Ring, 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 ring. Nervous. It's not every day you get a chance. It's not every day you get a chance to shoot 300 with a plastic ball. So let's get at it. Two more. Come on. I have to make sure it's slow. Hands are a little sweaty, a little nervous. It's all right. That's so bad. Oh my God, that was so bad. That was so bad and it still struck. It's fate. I spun it, I missed it in. Jesus, did I throw it slow enough? I had to have threw it even slower than the last one. Barely, but. Chance. 300 with the plastic ball. Oh! Let's go! Come on! Ah, come on! Let's go. Yo, 300 with the plastic. So we've been on a heater recently, not gonna lie, a couple 800s in league with the counterattack, but now we got 300 with the spy? What? All right, so that was insane. Little 300 with the plastic ball. Guess I'm just that good. Definitely not. You should get one of these balls. It's definitely not me. It's always the ball. So lesson learned from a great bowler. It's never you, it's always the ball. Good or bad, it's the ball's fault. So I just picked the right ball. I just got lucky. That's all it was. What it do, baby? What it do? 300 with the Radical Spy. That was my plastic versus plastic. I shot 300 with the Radical Spy, a light 1000 grit on it, and then I just moved almost all the way left, chucked it at the gutter where I know there's friction every time, and I got a little bit lucky along the way for that 300. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, subscribe to the channel down below, and don't forget to follow along for more videos like this one. I'll see you next time. Peace.